Hey guys, it's Cameron here with Emerson Property Management. Every week I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that have helped me build up a sizable portfolio in about 2 years and now manage that portfolio. Today, guys, I'm recording this in June 2021, and I've been hearing a lot and getting a lot of questions about big investors selling off their portfolios. What does this mean? Are you going to sell off your portfolio? Should we even be buying right now? The short and sweet answer of this, what I'm going to talk about just over the next couple minutes, is yes, you should sell if that is right for you. But if you have a long-term time horizon, continue to buy. Now, why do I say that? Because I just saw on Instagram some guys who think they have a lot of real estate or act like they have a lot of real estate, that prices are going up so high, and I'm selling out when my assets are going up so much. I'm getting rid of them. Now, why? I could talk about this all day, but it frustrates me because why would you sell your assets unless you have to, unless that was your goal, to take 100,000 in equity appreciation and then deploy it somewhere else? Just use real estate as a short-term equity play. But these guys, they have different strategies than what I think I do and what majority of you that are listening do. We're talking about long-term wealth. That's why I do what I do, right? And I assume that most of the people that watch this, that's the reason you do what you do, because of long-term wealth strategies and long-term wealth benefits of real estate. And so why would you sell a fantastic $1 million, $2 million, even a $500,000 portfolio? It doesn't matter what it is or how many properties it's composed of. Say you got $1 million portfolio that's going up 10% a year. Why would you sell that? That's $100,000 you're making. Even if it crashes and your portfolio is up to 1.2 and you take a 20% hit, you're still in $1 million or right around $1 million portfolio. It's not like you're going down to zero. And all the meanwhile, you're getting the benefits, the tax benefits. I've got another video up here regarding the benefits of real estate and the pillars of real estate, what make it so great. But in 10, 20 years, if that's your goal to long-term wealth, these short little price jump ups, just like the stock market, you'll see stuff run up. How do I do this it looks weird when you look at it on a camera, but you see it run up and then you see the crash, right? So, but they don't look about over time. It might just look like that on that just little, what seem like big crashes right now, in the blink of time are just these little dots in this huge high upturn. They're just little beep, 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 beep. Technical terms, technical sounds there. So don't get too caught up. If I got to base this on if your strategy is long-term wealth, then I don't give a shit what the market is doing right now. You buy, you acquire, and you manage fantastic assets that put money in your pocket every month. Over 5, 10, 20 years, you cannot help but be wealthy. I don't care if it goes up 10% one year. I don't care if it goes down 10% one year. I don't care, because over time, I'm going to get that sustainable growth. And even if the price assets come down for a year, you still have leases that are locked in. You still have the tax benefits you're getting. You still have the leverage benefits that you have. The bank's partnering with you on your properties. Unless you buy properties all cash, which I don't recommend, for me is not a good strategy, then the bank's taking some of that risk too, which is great. So all the buzz, price, when is it going to stop? We have all the shortages from the coronavirus, all this madness. When is it going to stop? I don't know. I don't care. As long as my properties are serving the purpose, they're solid properties that are going to get me to my long-term wealth goal, why do I care what it does in the short term? If it's cash flowing, if it's serving its purpose, who cares? So just keep that in mind. That's all I want to talk about, guys, is make sure you keep, while all this madness is going on, make sure that you're keeping your long-term perspective in mind, or whatever your long-term goals, whether it's short or long-term. Just keep your goals in mind. Don't let all this noise distract you from what you're trying to accomplish. And if that's long-term wealth, who gives a shit what the prices are today? Thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe, share, comment below, whatever you guys need. I appreciate it. And we'll see y'all next week.